So do these new revelations about the Clinton Foundation meet the standard for the appointment of a special prosecutor? Jonathan Turley is a constitutional law attorney and George Washington University Law School professor. Professor, great to see you. So let me start with this. Do you see this as a problem? Because, again, the Clinton campaign is saying, once again, conspiracy theories, there's no there.
No, I don't think anyone can objectively look at the Associated Press report and not believe that there's a serious problem here. I mean, you have a great number of people that have business with the State Department giving money to the foundation, some pretty disreputable people doing so, and gaining what appears to be special access. And then you have this revolving door or dual role in one case of someone who might have been employed by the foundation and State Department at the same time, which, by the way, is colossally stupid to have anyone in that role. But all of that creates a foundation for these allegations of whether you have a pay-to-play scenario. And I think that it deserves an investigation. I think the Associated Press investigated as much as they could. They had to go to court to get the information.
Right. But
I don't see how anyone could deny that these are troubling disclosures.
So could you know, the DOJ, they're not going to appoint a special prosecutor. I mean, you tell me. Are they going to appoint a special prosecutor? And could the DOJ do it itself? The investigation?
Well, the Department of Justice has a rather dismal record, and I'm not just speaking about the Obama administration, during the Bush administration. In the last few decades, they have had a terrible record in terms of applying laws evenly to high-ranking people as they do to ordinary people. And I really don't think it's much of a record to brag about. And so they have little credibility with some people when it comes to very powerful individuals. But more importantly, this investigation, we only have roughly a little over 70 days of the election. This investigation will extend beyond Election Day.
So it can't get done before November 8th?
It very likely would not be, but then you would have some serious conflicts there. If, in fact, the next president is Hillary Clinton, that would tend to favor a special counsel. But more importantly, any investigation into the foundation, and people at the FBI clearly indicated that they wanted to investigate aspects of the foundation, but any investigation is going to involve high-ranking officials and also foreign interests that are very important to the United States. I think the appearance alone says that the public interest would be served with the appointment of a special counsel.
And the odds of that happening are probably not high, to be charitable. Professor Turley, great to see you.
Thank you, Megan.